Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the EU stock DYU T1 folding electric bike. This isn't just any electric bike, it's a game-changer in the world of urban commuting. If you're tired of sitting in traffic or struggling to find a parking spot, then this is the bike for you. With a 250W motor and a 36V10Ah magnesium alloy frame, this electric bicycle is lightweight, durable, and perfect for adults looking to make their daily commute a breeze. With a recommended height range of 5.246.39 ft, the DYU T1 is built for comfort, and its foldable size of 850,480,780mm means you can easily store it in your apartment or workplace. Don't worry about struggling to find a spot to lock up your bike ever again. With a max speed of 15.53 mph 25 km/h and a max loading capacity of 264.6 pounds 120 kilograms, this electric bike can handle whatever your day throws at it. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or just taking a leisurely ride, the DYU T1 has got you covered. The 250W motor, powered by a 10Ah 18650 lithium-ion battery, gives you a range that lasts for days, and with a charging time of only 56 hours, you'll never have to worry about being stuck without a ride. Plus, the front and rear mechanic disc brakes and adjustable seat height ensure that you'll always feel safe and in control. So, if you're ready to take the next step in your daily commute and make your life a little bit easier, then the EU stock DYU T1 folding electric bike is the perfect fit for you. Check it out in the link in the description below and join the thousands of satisfied commuters who have already made the switch to electric biking. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your urban commuting experience. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the link. Let's go for a ride.